Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to check the estimated ink levels on an Epson WorkForce WF-7830. Now this is nice and simple, we're done from the printer itself using the touchscreen you can see here. Now we just need to drag ourselves along from the home screen of the printer until we get to settings. Press to go into settings, and the second option down is supply status. So we're pressing into that. Now if anything's looking desperately low, you get a specific warning on the screen, but you can just press close on that to get taken to this, which breaks down all of the colours individually, showing the estimated amount of ink within them, as well as the maintenance box, which very rarely needs replacing. You have the options to replace ink cartridges or produce a printed version of this sheet as well. Now if you're looking at this due to a print quality issue you're experiencing, it's unlikely to be the cartridges themselves that are causing it. These inks should always have more than enough ink in them for the printer to think they're empty and still have a little bit of ink sloshing around inside. More likely cause of missing colours or striped prints, it's going to be a small blockage or congealed ink on the printer's print head itself, which can thankfully normally be sorted with cleaning cycles, and you can check the result of with nozzle check pages, both of which we have videos for on our channel, and I'd recommend taking a look at those if you haven't done already. If this video has been useful to you, please let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, let me know down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.